Imagine if your phone could stretch into a bigger screen when you need it and shrink back to pocket size when you don't. Sounds futuristic, right? But Samsung might actually be bringing this idea to life with its upcoming rollable phone. A new concept based on a recently approved patent by the US Patent and Trademark Office shows how this type of phone could change everything we expect from a smartphone. The idea is simple but smart. Make the phone expand sideways instead of folding in half. That way, you get a larger screen without dealing with hinges or a noticeable crease across the middle. The latest render, shared by Domobile and tech leaker HexLeak7, gives us a peek at what Samsung might be planning. The phone looks slim and modern, with nearly no bezels around the screen. When it's closed, it's compact and easy to carry around. But with one quick slide, it grows into a much larger display that would be perfect for streaming videos, reading, or multitasking. Even though it's still compact in its closed form, the sliding screen adds some extra thickness to the device. It's not going to be as thin as Samsung's regular flagship phones, but it looks sleeker than most foldable phones out there today. The camera setup on this concept also looks similar to what we've seen in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, with two lenses and a flash placed in the top left corner on the back. But this phone isn't just about the way it looks. Samsung is also expected to add some new artificial intelligence features to this device, making it even more useful. One of the highlights could be instant voice translation. You could speak your own language, and the phone would instantly translate and show the response on the screen. It's a feature that could come in handy while traveling or speaking with someone from another country. Another AI feature might include smart summaries of long texts. So instead of reading through pages of messages or articles, your phone could give you a short version in just a few seconds. It could also help with daily planning by reminding you of upcoming meetings or when to leave for your next event, based on your location and schedule. When it comes to photography, Samsung's AI could also take care of most of the hard work. It might be able to recognize what you're about to photograph, like food, landscapes, or people, and adjust the settings automatically. You could also clean up your pictures with just one tap, removing unwanted objects or even changing colors without needing any editing skills. For mobile gamers, this rollable phone might be even more exciting. The design could include extra touch-sensitive areas that act as gaming buttons on the extended screen. On top of that, the AI could manage power and temperature in real time to keep games running smoothly without overheating the phone. Right now, there's a lot of talk about foldable phones like Huawei's Mate S series, especially the new trifold model. But rollables could actually offer a simpler solution. They don't need multiple hinges or create big folds down the middle of the screen. You get a bigger screen when you need it, and a smaller one when you don't, all in one smooth movement. The only thing missing from the current render is a full look at how the device appears when it's completely rolled out. So we'll have to wait a bit longer to see the full picture. Still, this concept feels promising. It brings together the best parts of compact phones and large screens without making the device too bulky. So what would you prefer? A phone that folds or one that rolls out into a larger screen? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.